Mayong buntag. Ano nga pa sa Bicol yung magandang umaga?
Mayong tanan.
Mayong tanan? Hindi ah. Loko ka. Ano? Magandang umaga. Magayon.
Mayon ang mayon.
Magayon ang mayon. Paayusin mo, anong magandang umaga sa Bicol?
Mayon ang mayon mo.
Wait, ayusin mo kasi mag-aano tayo. Ayusin natin. My chef is making an authentic laing with plenty of coconut.
Ay.
Bati ka sa kanila. Batiin mo sila. Dali, batiin mo sila. Sabi mo, bati na tayo. Bati na tayo. So, yung video ko kanina, guys, oh, look, Aborlan is here. Hi, Aborlan. Nagutom ka ba? So, anyway, may 4-minute video ako. It's about peeling the coconut husk. And now, look what we have. This is going to be a yummy, authentic Bicol Express. Not Bicol Express. Bicol. Anyway, interruption. This one is made from yantok. You know those chairs that you have? This one is the ubod. Parang ano siya ng coconut. So, you need to ihaw it. Ihaw. What's ihaw in Tagalog? Oh, in English. Kind of like you broil it or something. You put it under the charcoal and you make it as a salad. So, ito guys ha, ang kaibahan lang nito is the way they cook. But he has a way of making it yummy. Hanghang, sarap. The Bisaya, I think, I'm not so sure, pero kami noon, when we do our gata, it doesn't taste as much as Bicolano kasi dire-diretso. Eto sa kanila, parang niluluto muna nila ng gusto hanggang sa mamaya halos oily na. And that's, ay bawal daw sabihin ng technique. Ayaw niya sabihin ni Bicolano, wag na lang. Ang takaw, ayaw magsabi. So anyways, that's how he does it. Mamaya pa yan, ilalagay niya na yung mga iba-ibang mga bagay. But what's interesting is, it's not just like that. Iba rin talaga yung timpla niya, kaya masarap. Wala pala itong laman. Okay, pause muna. Mamaya natin balitaan kung paano. At eto guys ha, ito yung dahon. Ano yan? Thinly, finely, not chop, finely done, himay-himay. Ano pa ang English niyan? It's so hard. So that's what it is. Then later on, you will see the finished product. Of course, the main ingredients is there. The most efficient way of using your uling is by using this electric fan. Look, for a few seconds, it'll be giving you a good result. Oh my goodness, ang bilis mag-apoy because of the fan. Bilis! Good news is, the other chicken, so now we have 3 laying eggs. Let's see how many ang eggs kaya nito. Akyat muna ako. Wait lang. Tingnan ko. Oh, wow. Ilan na? 5 organic chickens. Chicken eggs. Nakita nyo kanina, we fed them with the residue of the coconut. Ayan, halos naubos nila. Mamaya, they're gonna come back to that and eat that again. So, we have healthy chickens and the dogs ate it too. Fire ahead! Fire ahead! Na.
Ready mo na ba yung...
Buti nga yung chicken natin dyan na, yung isa, the neighbor's chicken, yung 1 chick left, surviving. Wow! Naamoy ko na. Ito na. Masarap, masarap, masarap. May leftover pa yan na pure coconut. Relax lang kayo. Tadaan! Sarap ito. I think tatapusin ko na guys yung video ko kasi parang gusto ko na sana siyang tikman. Kaso lang matagal-tagal pa. But I can assure you, masarap talaga yan. Masiram. Sa Bicolano, masiram. Eto na, masiram talaga yan.
Hindi talagang mag-alok sa yan, di ba?
Masiramon. Goodbye!